LED modules production process overview. Automatically feeds PCB boards into the production line. Applies solder paste onto PCB pads to prepare for component mounting. Moves PCBs to next process. Mounts ICs and components precisely. Installs power and signal connectors automatically. Transports PCBs between stations. Solders components with hot air in zones. Cools and stores PCBs after soldering. Inspects soldering and component placement quality. Automatically removes defective modules for rework or rejection. Assembles PCBs into housings automatically. Transfer PCB to the next process. Print solder paste on the LED side of the PCB for LED placement. Transfer PCB to the next process. Checks the quality of solder paste printing. Screens products with poor solder paste quality. Places LEDs with high precision. Balances flow by storing PCBs temporarily. Complete LED surface lamp bead mounting. Installing LEDs. Inspects the quality of solder paste and LED placement. Reflows LED paste to fix lamp beads. Products after reflow soldering undergo forced cooling inside equipment. Separates the PCBA for the next process. Tests the electrical and optical performance of the PCBA. Automatically removes defective modules for rework. PCBA and shell are assembled with automatic screw tools. Secures housing and PCBA with screws for assembly. Separates the PCBA from the fixture.